Hey everybody, Mr. Mike Hilliard here, and today's vlog I'm doing another National Day because I know how much you guys love National Days out there. Yeah. Well, today is National Dog Day, and of course everyone knows I have two doggos. So today I'm going to put them through a couple rounds of Can They Catch It, where I throw things at their face and see if they can catch it. And what kind of owner would I be if I didn't try the same challenge out myself? I mean, it's not fair for me to put them through the ringer if I don't put myself through the ringer. Mostly everything they try, I'm gonna try. This should be great. I have two dogs. I have a Jack Russell Chihuahua mix named Jack Moose. Yes, you heard that right, Jack Moose. And then I have a full-blooded miniature pinscher named Gorgeous. Do you know how difficult it is for a 35-year-old man to call his dog Gorgeous when there's other people around? I mean, really, do you know how hard that is? Don't name your animals stupid names. If you know me, I love both my dogs. I've had them for years and years and years. The dogs have been around for about 13 years now. So anyways, National Dog Day, yay! Here are the clips from Can They Catch It? All right, buddy, you're the star of the show today. You wanna do some tricks for a blueberry? Ready? Shake. Good boy. Can you roll over? Roll over. Good boy. Sit. Speak. Good boy. Up. Up. Good boy. You ready? Just so you know, the first time we tried it, I caught the chip and the blueberry on the very first try, but we didn't have the camera in slow-mo, so that's why I'm leaving it here at the end. But watch, this is real, I literally caught it the first time. Bang! It's easy! It's easy! Okay.